Not all makeup is edible, but yours can be. Today I'll show you 10 DIY makeup ideas that work like a dream, taste amazing, and are perfect for pranks. Huh? Squeeze candy is the perfect sweet treat for creating DIY makeup products, especially lip glosses. It comes in so many delicious flavors and colors, plus it looks super shiny, which is exactly what we need. Squeeze a small amount of this yummy glossiness in a little pot. For this one, I chose the strawberry flavor, which comes in a very light pinky red shade. But I want to make my lip gloss super red, so I decided to drip in a drop of red food coloring. Remember that little goes a long way here, so you really don't need much food coloring to make the colors super vibrant. The last thing we have to do is to pour our deliciousness in a lip gloss container. You can use a bottle of an old gloss, or you can buy these empty containers online for very cheap. Here it is, a beautiful, super shiny lip gloss which smells amazing and tastes even better. It will give your lips a beautiful glossy red tint, plus you can have it as a sweet little treat. I love how you can make this in all the possible colors. I also wanted to try the berry flavor. Here I squeezed the candy directly in the lip gloss bottle. To make the color brighter and more potent, I added a drop of blue food coloring. Mix it up or shake it a little bit and you get a gorgeous bright blue lip gloss. I can't get over how amazing this DIY is. Squeeze candy glosses are seriously the best, and comparing to usual glosses, they're way more affordable. Check out how beautifully they work, so cool, right? Now our lips will always look pretty and shiny, plus we'll have a delicious sweet candy always on hand. Priceless! Huh? Want some? No! No worries, this bronzer is completely edible and delicious. Besides that, it will give your skin a beautiful sun-kissed glow. Get your container ready. I'm using a pot of an old bronzer that I washed thoroughly. Grab the only ingredient you will need, and that is cocoa powder. All we gotta do is to place about a tablespoon of product into our container and pack it down really well. If you don't press the powder down super tight, you end up with more like a loose bronzing powder, which honestly works just as great. Cocoa is broadly used to make bronzers even by the well-known cosmetic brands, so why not making our own for way cheaper, right? If you want to make a lighter color, you can mix in a bit of cornstarch. To get a super dark version, use a non-sweetened 100% cocoa powder. And this bronzer will keep us looking fresh and glowing as if we just came back from the vacation by the sea. Dust it on your face to warm up your complexion or make a delicious warming hot cocoa. And the beauty of edible DIY makeup. Lil mints are a perfect pick-me-up treat when you want to feel a bit more fresh. Today we're transforming them into a gorgeous lip scrub that looks exactly like a frozen Arctic Ocean. Pour a bunch of mints into a Ziploc plastic bag. Place it on a wooden board or other sturdy surface and crush the mints into smaller pieces using a hammer. Pop a tablespoon or two of these crushed goodies into a container. Add a spoonful of sugar. I happen to have blue sugar at home, but the usual white one works just as great. Lastly, you want to squeeze on a bit of honey or any other syrup. It's time to mix all of our scrub ingredients together and check out how beautiful this looks. Our mint scrub looks so icy and fresh, literally like the frozen Arctic Sea. Peppermint essential oil is widely used in plumping lip glosses as it makes your lips look fuller and more pouty. Your mint lip scrub will first off exfoliate your lips and remove dead skin cells on surface, leaving lips soft and smooth. The peppermint found in the mints will plump up your lips, making them fuller and more voluminous. On top of that, your mint lip scrub is completely edible and tastes delicious. A complete lifesaver in situations when you need some extra freshness. Hi. Hi. Did you know that you can make an amazing liquid eyeliner using just 2 ingredients that you can find in your kitchen? This eyeliner is so affordable, works amazingly, and you can make it in any color you want. Prepare your eyeliner container. I'm using this adorable owl pot, which is from an old lip balm that I've used up. Load a teaspoon with coconut oil and pop it in your container. Now choose the food coloring you want to use. I decided for blue. It is really important that you use food coloring in a dust form because liquid or gel versions do not mix with oil. So dust food coloring is the way to go. Give the eyeliner a good stir to combine the ingredients evenly. Voila, our 2-ingredient eyeliner is done, so it's time to test it out. Look at that, it works like a dream. Now you know that next time you run out of eyeliner, there's no need to stress out. All you need to do is make a short trip to the kitchen and mix it up yourself. People say that you should never put stuff on your skin that you can't put in your mouth. Well, this eyeliner is 100% edible and there's no nasty ingredients whatsoever. Bingo! What? Cheers! Is this a lip balm or a sweet potion? Well, actually it's both, and besides that, it's also a great idea to prank your friends. The main ingredient? Honey. I love honey. It is sweet, but unlike plain sugar, it's also rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and has anti-inflammatory properties. I like to put it in my tea, on pancakes, or on my fruit, but today I'm gonna put it in my lip balm. Get your lip balm container ready. How gorgeous is this unicorn with its sparkly wings? Obsessed! Fill the pot with honey. You can totally finish here if you just need a clear lip balm, but you know me, I love color. I decided to keep it classic and dripped in a bit of red food coloring. 1 drop is more than enough, so let's give this baby a quick little stir. How quick and easy was that, right? We got ourselves an amazing moisturizing tinted lip balm in less than 30 seconds. Through the history, honey has been known for its healing properties due to how naturally moisturizing it is. Swiping a thin coat on your chapped lips will make them baby soft in no time. It's also high in antioxidants that help repair daily UV damage. On top of that, it tastes amazing, plus it gives our lips a shiny rosy color. Especially in the winter when our skin gets extra dry, this tinted lip balm is a must-have.